Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you activating digital gift cards and rewards through your online bank. So without wasting any time, let's get right in the video. In order to activate digital gift cards and rewards through your online bank, if you are doing it from your Barclays bank, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Barclays application and log into your account. Then once logged in, on the home screen simply tap on your Barclays credit card. Then once you tap on the credit card, simply tap on rewards or view rewards. Look for an option like rewards, RBA rewards or benefits, then simply tap on it. And once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on rewards once again, and here under the rewards you'll find an option that says gift cards. Simply tap on that. And now browse available digital gift cards and select the retailer and amount, and then once done, review all the details and then tap on redeem. The digital gift card activates instantly and code appears on your screen or is sent by email. Doing it with PayPal, then what you need to do is simply open the PayPal application and log in using your Face ID, fingerprint or password. Then simply tap on the deals option right here. And now inside, what you need to do is simply select deals and offers once again. Once you're inside the deals and offers, simply choose cards by browsing available digital gift cards and selecting a brand. And once that's done, all you gotta do now is confirm and activate the gift card by simply selecting the retailer and the amount, and lastly simply tapping on the redeem option. Now if you want to activate digital cards from your Chase Bank, what you need to do is simply log in to your Chase Bank application, and once you're inside there, simply select your credit card. From the home screen, tap on the credit card that earns the rewards, and now once again simply tap on the credit card that earns rewards, and under it you'll find redeem rewards option. Simply select that. And once you're inside the redeem rewards option, simply select the gift cards. Then once you're inside there, here what you need to do is simply browse available gift cards and select a store and a gift card amount. Once that's done, simply review the details and then tap on the next option on the bottom. And once you're inside here, review the details once again, and once done, simply tap on confirm option on the bottom, and the gift card activates immediately, photo appears on your screen and or is emailed. So these are a couple of steps to do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.